Peggy 7.
Secret? Passing out? Do you have a journal? Sure, right down on the first shelf. Do you have 1,000 horsepower?
I'm next one in the car, and I'll try to get some noise in here. It was great, superb. I didn't expect too much, but this is good. I definitely will use it. Personally, I love movie soundtracks, so I really want to get the movie feeling to our game. So lots of big explosions, fast cars, and lots of crashing. The atmosphere of the game is pretty dark and, how can I say, merciless. You really want to destroy things. You can feel the impact and destruction.
If you're a single player type of guy, you got the career, you got the different districts that you can take over, you can find out more about Karashindo.
We're bringing in this whole creation and social element which has not been a part of the franchise ever before.
We're combining user-generated content with massive destruction.
We're going for a really arcade touch, still keeping to the smooth and clean feel of the original Ridge Racers, but adding destruction to that.
Nothing like a good sauna after a hard day of drifting. What do you think, guys?